the beautiful girl that I met made in Japan. The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest dreams.
Hello everyone, my name is Salma Enia. I am a student of class 11 RPL2. In this video, I would like to introduce and tell you about the place where I live and the environment around my home. I will share some things about my house and the atmosphere around it. Before we start, let me tell you the title of my video. The title of this video is My Home and My Neighborhood. So, without further ado, let's start the video. My home and my neighborhood. My home. This is my house. I live in a village with my family. My house is a simple and comfortable place for me. I have lived in this house for a long time, so this house is very familiar to me. I spend most of my time here, especially when I am not at school. My house is a place where I can rest after a long day at school. I also spend time with my family here and do my daily activities. For me, my house is more than just a place to live. It is a place where I feel comfortable and where I have many memories with my family. Even though my house is simple, I am grateful to have it as my home. I really like my house because it is a part of my everyday life. The garden in front of my house. In front of my house, there is a garden that belongs to someone else. The garden is not owned by my family, even though it is not part of my house. I can see the garden every day because it is located right in front of my house. The garden makes the view in front of my house look more natural. I often see the garden when I go outside or when I come home from school. My grandparents' house. Now, I want to show you the right side of my house. On the right side of my house, there is my grandparents' house. They were my father's parents, so I called them my grandfather and grandmother. They used to live in this house. Unfortunately, my grandfather and grandmother passed away when I was still very young. Because I was still a child at that time, I don't have many memories of them. However, their house is still very familiar to me because it is right next to my house. Now, the house is lived in by their fourth child, who is also their youngest child. So, even though my grandparents are no longer there, the house is still connected to my family. When I see this house, I sometimes think about my grandparents and remember that they used to live there. This house is also part of the environment that I have grown up around. My neighbor's house. Now, let's look at the left side of my house. On the left side, there is my neighbor's house. My neighbors are very friendly and kind. They are also nice to the people around them. Sometimes we greet each other when we meet. Even though we do not always talk for a long time, having friendly neighbors makes the neighborhood feel more comfortable. I think good relationships between neighbors are important. When people are friendly and respect each other, the environment feels more peaceful. I am also happy to have friendly neighbors around my home. They are part of the community where I live. The afternoon atmosphere. Now, let's talk about the atmosphere around my house in the afternoon. The atmosphere in the afternoon is quite lively. Many people are outside their houses and enjoying the afternoon. Some people talk with their neighbors, while others simply sit outside and enjoy the atmosphere. I can also see little children playing around the neighborhood. Sometimes I can hear the sounds of children playing and people talking. Because of this, the neighborhood feels more lively and cheerful. I personally like the afternoon atmosphere. After a day at school, coming home and seeing people enjoying their afternoon can make the environment feel warm and pleasant. The weather in the afternoon can also make the surrounding looks beautiful, especially when the sunlight starts to become softer. The afternoon is probably one of the liveliest times around my home. My home at night. Now, let's talk about my home at night. The atmosphere at night is quite different from the afternoon. At night, my neighborhood is relatively quiet. There are not many people outside, and the road around my house is usually less crowded. The atmosphere is not as lively as it used to be. In the past, my neighborhood was more crowded and lively at night. There were more people outside and the atmosphere felt closer. But nowadays, the nighttime atmosphere is much quieter than before. Most people stay inside their houses at night. Because of this, the environment around my home feels peaceful and calm. Sometimes I can see the lights from the houses around me. I actually like the quiet atmosphere at night because it is a good time to rest after a busy day. Conclusion. So, that is my home and the environment around it. I live in the village with a garden in front of my house, my grandparents' old house on the right, and my neighbor's house on the left. The afternoon is quite lively, while the night is more peaceful and quiet than it used to be. I am grateful to have this village as my home. Okay, that's all about my home and the environment around my house. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something about my home. See you next time. Goodbye.
with the beautiful girl that I met made in Japan. The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest